Really big parts on a smaller print bed. Finally, I'm going to show you how I cut it, how to add connectors, and the way the cool kids do it. This is going to be a tutorial of sorts, but I'm going to go through it fairly quickly, and I'm going to make it really easy for you to do it. I'm showing you in Prusa Slicer, but the instructions are the same for Prusa Slicer, Bamboo Slicer, Orca Slicer, Creality Print. You get the idea. First of all, you've got your model. It's bigger than the print bed. You're going to need to cut it. Over here is this little square with a line through it, and it's called cut, and that brings up the cut interface. You can move the plane then up and down. There's also rotational controls, so you can drag that, and now you can move the plane side to side. You do have options for cutting into objects or parts. What we're going to do is cut to objects, but this button up here, add connectors, click that. This is the cut menu, and there's a lot of options to choose from, but right now what I'm gonna do is change the size to 5 millimeters because that's what I like. With your model in view like this, hold your mouse over a spot where you want a connector and click. You'll see a little dot. In fact, you can do it in multiple places, and each one of those places is where a connector is gonna be put. When you're satisfied with the layout, click Confirm Connectors. Before you hit Perform Cut, what you wanna do is click Keep Orientation. You wanna make sure both say Keep Orientation and then perform the cut. Grab one of these. So you have to click away, click, grab one, and now you've got two pieces. If we zoom in kind of close, we can see this piece has the connectors, and if we move over here, spin it around, we can see this piece has the holes for the connectors. This is one way to do it, but there's a cooler way to do it now. I'm gonna select the model, and I'm gonna come over here and click that cut button so that we get the cut interface. And up here under mode, instead of planar, I'm gonna choose dovetail. And that gives us this really cool geometry. See that? So you can make a cut that has geometric reinforcements, and you rotate it around and it looks like this, and then you get a cut pattern like that. But another cool thing you can do is do it at a 45-degree angle. It is at a 45-degree angle. And so is this. Here are the pieces that have that dovetail cut. And if I can line it up properly, and just like that, without any 3D glue, we have a very heavy-duty reinforced joint. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can go about slicing big things to print on smaller print beds. This is free in your slicer. So go print something huge. Hey, you stayed to the end. You get to see something pretty cool.